Yo, what up? It's your man Big John Restoration. We in Brooklyn right now. Dropped off this 95 Impala SS to one of the Brooklyn Attitude members. Y'all see it? That's that candy red one of them 28-inch Monty Ford's rims.
This was the red one.
Burgundy.
Burgundy.
No, he painted it.
No, the burgundy one, the factory one's still out there.
Fuck that with your leg.
I got that shit from the I can't fucking up.
So you picked that shit up out of his pocket?
No, hell no.
You got my number line somewhere. Where's that?
Nigga, I got two of them in it.
Brooklyn, New York, got a few more coming back from John Restoration.